Aim the water low on the surface and use controlled, repeated pours to carry cleaner down and out without spraying or streaking. Start by choosing water that is warm but not hot to avoid rapid drying that leaves streaks. Use a sturdy cup or small pitcher rather than a spray bottle so you can control flow and direction. Press the rim flat against the tile or glass and lift slightly to create a narrow sheet of water that runs down rather than splashing outward. Work from the top down in overlapping passes and pause to wipe any pooling with a lint-free microfiber cloth held vertically to guide flow. This prevents droplets from forming and reintroducing cleaner to already rinsed areas. For glass, use a final pass with a squeegee held at a 30-degree angle and pull straight down in consistent strokes, wiping the blade after each stroke to avoid dragging residue. For textured tile or grout, use a soft nylon brush to mechanically dislodge trapped cleaner, then immediately flush the area with multiple cup pours until the water runs clear. Always check at eye level against backlighting to spot any streaks and repeat targeted rinses if needed. Common mistakes are using a high-pressure spray or shower head that creates backsplash and spreads cleaning solution to unintended areas. Swap to controlled pours and cup technique to localize rinsing. Another is rinsing only once and assuming the job is done, which leaves film. Rinse at least 2 to 3 times and inspect with side lighting to find residue. A third is wiping with a dirty or saturated cloth, which redeposits cleaner. Change or wring the cloth frequently and finish with a dry lint-free towel to catch any remaining droplets. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like this and helps people find local pros and peers discussing practical techniques. On our site, we also run an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and help each other find work and trusted local partners.